Instagram, Facebook. Go look at my video, Mark Morris, 202BeToBroke.com, 202BeToBroke.com. You always I give you advice on your teeth, finances. This is what I call a proxy brush. See the little brush inside? Take the cap off. And what you do with the proxy brush is like you put it in between your teeth and you kind of use it to break up the dirt or break up the liquid that's it's in your teeth. So it prevents like the stains, prevents the bacteria from building up. So it just keeps your teeth feeling cleaner and your mouth feels cleaner, and you just wash it out and then you wash the brush. Use it two to three times. So today, go get a proxy brush. And now go watch my longer video. I have a longer video of this version where I go a little bit more detail about the proxy brush and some of its uses. I recommend get a proxy brush, try it out. Now, yeah, everything to gain, nothing to lose. 202BeToBroke.com, 202BeToBroke.com. Subscribe. So I gave you a quick lesson on how to use a proxy brush. Go do it.